You gotta get into the groove.
Hey everyone, it's Nicholas from GrooveAsia. If it's your first time with me, then welcome. And for everybody else, welcome back. Well, as you can see, I'm on the GrooveAsia page. One of the things I wanted to do is let you know we now have the Facebook group and the YouTube account available. So if you want to go to the Facebook group, you can get in here. I'd highly recommend that you subscribe to the Facebook group to get updates. And of course, the YouTube channel is where I'll be putting up a whole heap of insider information, videos, and training surrounding GrooveAsia. All right, other than that, you'll see here, we've got a new video on the page. If you haven't seen it yet, get in here and watch this video. And get information about what's going on. All the information about GrooveAsia is in here at the moment. As far as creating an account, just go to any of these buttons. So click the Get Started Right Now for free. Any of the buttons on the page should take you through, and you'll be able to get to the sign up box. So you can create an account with GrooveAsia if you don't have one already. Okay, so just like as in Groove, you'll put your name, last name, email address, username, create your own password and confirm it. Just make sure it says down the bottom here, referrer is Groovian Pro. That'd be me, the Groovian Pro. And as you can see, just like Groove itself, you get access to everything else you would in your normal Groove account, except you will have a GrooveAsia account as well. All right, get onto it. And if you've got any questions, leave a comment below the video or join the Facebook group, obviously, and post a comment in there. As I said, all the updates that are coming about GrooveAsia, the launch, all the bonuses, the options, the multi-language, and everything else that we're doing is coming very, very soon. But you need to be in on the deal to be able to get that information. So, as I said, just make sure that you sign up to all of our social media accounts. If I just go back to the top of this page, make sure you get onto the Facebook channel and the YouTube channel, and I'll fill you in with more details as things progress. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for checking in. I'll speak to you soon.
You gotta get into the groove.